What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So Vivo has announced a new portless phone, which is pretty cool. So it supports 5G and an in-display fingerprint sensor. So this phone has no ports at all, which is pretty crazy. So the design is pretty neat. It uses a pressure sensor and capacitive buttons to stimulate the volume and sleep button, and the overall phone is just pretty much one single piece of glass, which is pretty neat. So it is a full display smartphone, which looks really nice. Like I said, it's got that dual cameras on the back. So we saw this with HTC's smartphone, which a lot of critics did not like, but it was because the buttons weren't functioning right because of the software, which they did fix. So hopefully this won't have the problem out of the box, but I think this could be the future of smartphones in general. I think getting rid of the buttons is probably going to be the way to go, but I don't know how a lot of people would feel about that. The only benefits I could see with getting rid of the buttons completely would be one, for design. You get a more cleaner design, and you don't have to worry about the buttons breaking on the smartphone, which I think is another plus. But we have to see how this phone functions without real buttons. Now, the reason I think this is going to be a big push to buttonless phones is mostly because if you look at the progression of phones, you look at the old iPhone that had a home button, and if you look at the old Android phones, you had physical buttons, and then they turned to on display buttons, and now they're completely gesture based. So what do you guys think? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.